Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the style options in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Settings section, click on the Display Options button. And within this, look for the Style Options section. And as you can see, there are two settings that you can save. So you can enable to replace green with blue, and you can enable to use dark theme, and just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.